Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar and I'm bringing this session number 12 for you. This is ThrowBack 2019 series. So far we have created 11 modules for you and we are bringing this International Affairs of 2019 revision module. India quits RCEP. RCEP is called Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, wherein there are, you can say, a lot of members of RCEP. There are 10 members of ASEAN which are part of this. Uske alawa, there are a lot of countries which are part of it. India is not a part of this RCEP. RCEP का मीटिंग जो बैंकॉक थाईलैंड में हुआ था, इंडिया ने बोला we will not become part of RCEP until there are significant outstanding issues which are related to trade are to be sorted out. Okay, Modi and Xi Jinping's second informal summit held at Mamallapuram. Mamallapuram is also known as 7 pagodas of Mahabalipuram. It is believed that 6 more temples stood along the lone standing shore temple, hence the name is 7 pagoda. ठीक है, आज वो 6 टेम्पल नहीं है पर फिर भी है ना, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ममल्लापुरम. सो मोदी साहब और शी जिनपिंग, दैट्स अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ चाइना, ये दोनों मिले थे ममल्लापुरम तमिलनाडु में. दिस इज अ सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ देयर इनफॉर्मल मीटिंग बिटवीन इंडिया एंड चाइना. दे आर जनरली creating a lot of good activities there. Okay, this is a historic town, Mamallapuram. It was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site because it was the seaport in the first millennium. This is a wonderful thing. Okay, Mamallapuram. Union government launched WHO India Country Cooperation Strategy 2019-23. This is known as CCS, Country Cooperation Strategy. ठीक है, CCS for India is to achieve health sector goal. I'm sure you are aware about goals like SDG, which are developed by United Nations. This is WHO के साथ मिलकर हम काम कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारे health related goals are to be achieved. ठीक है, G7 summit was held in, you can say, Biarritz, France. G7 summit. USA praised this G7 group to reinstate that Russia is no longer a permanent member of this grouping. ठीक है, और उसकी वजह से ये G7 समिट हुआ था, यूनाइटेड नेशन के द्वारा ये किया जाता है. दिस इज बायरिट्ज, फ्रांस, G7 समिट. ठीक है, G7 इज एन इंटरनेशनल intergovernmental economic organization consisting of 7 largest advanced economies in the world: Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan and UK and USA. Obviously, how can we forget that? ठीक है, European Union has also been invited to G7 summit. Next G7 summit 2020 is going to take place in USA and 2021 will be held at UK. India signed United Nations Convention on International Settlement Agreements called UNISA. It is also known as Singapore Convention on Mediation. So far, 46 countries have signed this international treaty on settlement. Primarily, this will enhance India's capability with respect to mediation and ease of doing business in India will be improved. So this is a wonderful thing. ध्यान रखिएगा ये. So this United Nations Convention on International Settlement Agreement, which is also known as Singapore Convention, is very crucial because when two you can say MNCs are having some kind of dispute which is related to taxation, trading or supply chain or anything like that, then there has to be an arbitrator. India is interested to become the arbitration hub in the world और इसकी वजह से ये यूनिसा में ज्वाइन करना is very important. PM Modi inaugurated Kartarpur corridor, which is Sri Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan. Kartarpur Sahib is very important because जब गुरु नानक साहिब उनके जितने भी मिशनरी मिशंस थे सब जगह गए, सिख धर्म को फैलाया, and then he came to this place, settled and allowed a lot of people to come, and that's what the Kartarpur Sahib, and that's why it is very important. Okay, Kartarpur Sahib corridor connects Kartarpur Gurdwara in Pakistan with Dera Baba Nanak Shrine in India's Gurdaspur district. Okay, so this is very important one. Okay, G20 Summit 2019 was held in Osaka, Japan. 28-29 June 2019 को हुआ था ये, and this was G20 summit. Very important summit took place at Osaka. ठीक है, G20 is a group of 20 countries, 19 plus 1 European Union. So that means there are more than 20 countries. है ना, but otherwise this is G20 1999 में चालू हुआ था, and now it has become wonderful. You can say group of, you can say, events. 19th Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO summit took place at Bishkek, which is at Kyrgyzstan. ठीक है, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, which is a permanent intergovernmental organization which is developed at Shanghai in China. SCO has total 8 members, which is India, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. ठीक है, India and Pakistan were inducted in 2017. 4 observer countries, Afghanistan, Belarus, Iran and Mongolia, and 8 dialogue partners, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Cambodia, Nepal, Turkey and Sri Lanka. 10th Mekong Ganga Cooperation Ministerial Meeting. This is held between, you can say, India and this was held at Bangkok. ठीक है, Mekong Ganga is comprising of India and 5 ASEAN nations, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand and Vietnam. So you'll have to tell me Mekong is flowing from which point to which point. Okay, please बताइएगा ये. NAM, that is non-aligned movement. Okay, this is very important. ठीक है, जब कोल्ड वॉर का जमाना था जहाँ पे लोग अलाइन होते थे या तो यूएसए के साथ इन देयर नाटो, या तो रशिया के साथ, दैट इज यूएसएसआर के साथ इन देयर वॉरशॉ पैक्ट, एंड देयर वर फ्यू कंट्रीज दे वर नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एनी ऑफ दिस ग्रुप. They said we are non-aligned. India was one of them. Yugoslavia, Indonesia, Egypt, there were few of them. And that is NAM, non-aligned movement. Now India is not contributing in a big way. So this took place at Venezuela. Capital of Venezuela is Caracas. Theme was promotion and consolidation of peace through respect for international law. Okay, that is NAM. India elected to be the executive board of first UN Habitat Assembly. It is UN, that is United Nations Agency for Human Settlement and Sustainable Urban Development. It was established in 1978 and its headquarters is Nairobi in Kenya. Very important one, ध्यान रखिएगा ये. India has been elected to the executive board to this. Okay, so they are developing this UN Habitat gets their agenda from Habitat Agenda. This is United Development Group में से ये बनता है. Italy joined China's Belt and Road Initiative. Earlier it was known as One Belt, One Road Initiative. That is OBOR, and now it is called BRI. ठीक है, it has become the G7 country का पहला country is supporting this. हम बहुत oppose करते हैं. India is opposing in a big way this BRI primarily because they are developing CPEC. दैट इज चाइना पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर. उसमें से कुछ पार्ट हमारा जम्मू कश्मीर में से जाता है विच वी डोंट लाइक इट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर अपोजिंग दिस. दिस इज अ बिग इनिशिएटिव बाय चाइना टू डेवलप अ बिग नेटवर्क of rail, road, maritime, power grid, oil gas pipeline, lot of such kind of infrastructure they are going to develop. India signed Christchurch call to action initiative. This is, we are a part of this major global initiative primarily to combat extreme terrorism or extremism or online terrorism and making internet safe and secure place. Okay, this is obviously a non-binding set of agreements to combat the spread of hate and violent content. This is very important. Okay, Christchurch call to action. You will have to tell me what was the background on which this Christchurch call to action started. Okay, chali, great. So with this I'm closing this module. I'm sure you have enjoyed this module thoroughly. Do not miss out to take our last module, that is session number 13, and that's where we'll be ending our throwback series of 2019. Thank you very much and all the best.